Hi friends, after knowing about modify branch, now it's turn for pattern branch. In this branch, we learn to create similar shapes by three varied solutions. The first is rectangle. At first, let's draw a big rectangle. Dimension, for example, 27.5 cross 20 and one circle inside it. Circle diameter 3.5. Now click on order. Rectangle window open front us. We can see in all order in Inventor. This select icon is red at first and mean no selected geometry. We activate and click on geometry. It become white and mean it's selected. Again direction is red. You should choose direction like this side. Became white. And we don't want direction in left mode. We can use this icon, flip, and direction will be right, left or right. And here we can write number of shapes like 5 circle, and this is distance. This distance is between shapes. Now we have circle, so this distance will be center to center like 5 and OK. Now we have 5 circles similar to each other and the distance between them is 5. We can also click on this dimension and make it change, for example 7. OK, it's not so beautiful. We use Ctrl Z. Also we can have circle in this direction. Again click on circle, geometry. We can activate all of them and direction, and again number of circle, for example 5, and the distance again 5. For being more beautiful, it will be 4 and click. Next order is circular. Here let's make a new big circle and again one circle inside it. For example this one. Click on order. Again we have a window. We should select the geometry and we want one circular axis. For example this side will be axis, and also we can flip it. It's unclockwise or clock. Okay, can see. And for example we want 6 circle in 180 degree. We put it 6 for number and 180 for degree. It was circular order. The last one in pattern branch is mirror order. Think we want this shape, entire shape, exactly in mirror. Mean this circle, now they are in right mode. We want it in left. We can use mirror order. For mirror order, when we click on this, we want selected geometry and one mirror line. Because we don't have mirror line here, at first we draw it. We make a line, a vertical line. Okay, and we can make it by right click, construction. We can see this one. Make all geometry, click on mirror order. Now mirror line is red. We click on this and choose it and apply it. Okay, we can see this shape mirror by this line and its mirror shape. They were so necessary orders. Practice these orders at home. So another session of Inventor Mechanism channel is finished. If you want to learn designing from beginning to advanced, subscribe our channel for better education and turn on the notifications for the next video. Share our channel to your friends. Have a nice day. Help us. Stay with us.